The IPBES Invasive Alien Species Report, launched in September 2023, sheds light on the critical issue of biological invasions. There are many great resources to learn more. From fact sheets to the summary for policymakers, there's truly something for everyone. IPBES has now gone a step further with the IAS learning tool, making the report's findings more engaging and interactive. Let's take a sneak peek. You will immediately notice some key messages that give a quick overview of the most important findings. From here, you can download the full report, media release, or outreach videos. Navigation is simple. Use the menu bar to access different thematic sections, or just scroll down and explore the content aided by interactive elements throughout. While not comprehensive, the tool showcases some of the report's most important key findings and case studies. For example, clicking areas of this infographic reveals deeper data insights, allowing targeted access to specific information. We hope you enjoy this immersive experience with captivating visuals and interactive animations that bring the report's key findings to life. Whether you're a policymaker, researcher, student, or simply passionate about the environment, the IAS Learning Tool represents an informative and engaging resource on invasive alien species.